मैं आप पढ़े बिस्मिल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह कीजिए।
हज़रत आप असातिज़ा की इजाज़त से मैं अंग्रेज़ी में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, और आप खुश यानी आइन बात यह है कि इसमें रदीफ़ और काफ़िया का मैंने ख़ास ख्याल रखा, उस पर आप हज़रात गौर करें।
शायर है, मैंने इनको ये मशवरा दिया कि आप उर्दू की शायरी छोड़ दें, अंग्रेज़ी की शायरी करें। चले आप कर
हज़रत इस मेरी नज़्म का उन्वान है फॉरगिवनेस हील्स।
बहुत अच्छा, ये बहुत मुझे भी पसंद है, बहुत अच्छा।
If only we hold our tongue
वाह, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
and hold our hand,
बहुत अच्छा, very good.
if only we try a little harder to understand,
वाह 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 वाह,
I am sure that we will be able to avoid aggression.
बहुत अच्छा।
Happiness will be our reward. It's a great compensation. If we want to be lighter than light, mercy is the root, not the might. Look human, but be an ocean where all things dissolve. If you are calm, surely it will eventually resolve. Peace we all want, and peace we deserve. Harbor no grudge, and peace we preserve. When treated badly, deep down a plight, we were only asking what was our right. I know revenge is due when we are harmed. We may exceed in retaliation when armed. Forgiveness and altruism all religions have preached. To handle problems, these tools are to be reached. Forgiveness is a blessing. They all said, your Lord is forgiving, a help and an aid. He is one God, merciful, the only. With Him you will never feel lonely. When we are down and depressed, when you are hurt and oppressed, you are in grief when people give you pain, pray to Him. He will lift you, sunshine or rain. Seek refuge in Him when down. There is no need to faint or frown. Forgiveness rewards you in the best possible manners. Enemies become friends. Surely forgiveness delivers. Let bygone be bygones. If you love the enemy, you are nearer to Creator and earned His mercy. You forgive and forget. This is the test, but a safe destination. Stretch out your hand of forbearance and reconciliation. Seek Lord's help in despair. Ruined lives He can repair. He is all forgiving and loves forgiveness, delivers you from misery and loneliness. Forgiveness is a natural healer, a rare gift from God for sufferers. Suddenly, we switch from negative to positive. We are our own enemy if we don't forgive.
बहुत बहुत अंग्रेजी में तो इंशाल्लाह